Definitions of Chapter 8, Class 8. Microscope. Microscope, it is a device which is used to get enlarged image of very small object. Means it make possible to see very small microscopic objects by it. It enlarge the size of the object. There are the two types of microscope shown here. These are electron microscope and compound microscope. Magnification power of electron microscope is much higher as compared to compound microscope. Electron microscope, this make the things very large as compared to compound microscope. Multicellular organism. Children, this term we have studied many times in the chapter. Multicellular means these are the organisms that are made up of many cells. For example, human being, cow, a tree. These are made up of many cells. So they are the example of multicellular organisms. Unicellular organism. Unicellular means single cell. Organisms which are made up of only single cell. They are called unicellular organism. For example, amoeba and paramecium. Their pics are shown here. Amoeba and paramecium, they are single celled or unicellular organisms. Now, cell membrane. Cell membrane, it is the porous thin membrane of the cell which allows selected substances to enter and leave the cell. It is also called plasma membrane and it is also called selectively permeable membrane. The next definition is of nucleus. Nucleus, this is a dense body found in the center of the cells and which controls all the activities of the cell. Nucleus is also called the brain of the cell and it is generally located in the center of the cells and controls all the activities of the cell. Next definition is of mitochondria. Mitochondria, these are oval or rod shaped bodies or cell organelles found in the cytoplasm of the cell, and these are also called powerhouse of the cell. Powerhouse as they release energy for all the activities of the cell. Next definition is of prokaryotic cells. Cells that do not have a nuclear membrane around the nucleus, or the cells which has very poorly developed nucleus. They are called prokaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cells. Cells that have well-defined nuclear membrane around the nucleus and which have true nucleus are called eukaryotic cell. Cell division. The process in which a cell divides to form two daughter cells. This process is called cell division.